is useful in the winter when you can't see the concrete island. It tells you something solid there. Right on. So now we're going to go to the Broadway ramp. It's that really sharp angle to go back onto, what is it, Brady Street or whatever it is. And then back under the bridge, the train bridge.
Oh, yeah.
That one.
Okay.
Really dangerous. I recommend avoiding it.
Oh, yeah.
In the winter time especially.
Sure, let's go.
It's called Broadside, but I think people, or not Broadside, it's called Broadway. They should call it Broadside because people get broadsided at the bottom of the ramp or rear-ended or both.
Exactly. Yep.
At the freeway there, that's Broadway. We're going to turn left. So the trick to doing this is at the bottom of the ramp here with the yield signs.
Yep.
You just slow it down to like the pace of about a snail or a turtle or something like that, and check your 6.
Okay.
We're going under the bridge, but you do need your left signal to merge, and it's just slowing down enough so that's just checking over your shoulder. Awesome. But you can see why it would be dangerous here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Big.
Just past the bridge, we're going to be making a right turn. You'll see a 50 sign posted and a yellow and black sign. Right between the two signs, right here. That's your slip lane. At the intersection, we're going to make a left turn. This gets busy here on Friday nights.
Oh, yeah. For sure.
Get all the pedestrians. It reminds me of Toronto. You can see the reflection of the headlights on the sides of the cars. At the lights, we're going to turn left. And at the lights, we're going to turn left. I just want you to notice if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. So the stop line in the turning lane here is further back than the one in the right lane to go straight or right. Mm-hmm. You know why it's far back here?
How come?
If you get buses or trucks or whatever turning the corner, they need more space.
Yeah.
And they get annoyed when people don't obey those lines because it blocks them.
Big time.
Yep. And then we're going to go up this ramp here. And then a left turn at the stop sign. So this little portion of the ramp is a one-way. That portion, you know, it's a two-way because you got the yellow line. You got one stop sign. And a right turn. Bit of a challenge to make a right turn here because the bridge obstructs your view a little bit. When we turn right, we're going to stay hard right.
Okay.
Excellent. So last time you had turned on the other side of the concrete island there. Just took you back here just to show you how that intersection works in case you got to come down here someday. And a right turn at the stop sign. Nice, you checked your right blind spot. It's easy to forget that. Okay, ambulance ahead, blocking, sort of. Let's make a left lane change. And we're gonna go straight. So there's a lot of clues, for the one-ways. And yet, people still go the wrong way in a one-way. All the time, man. I have so many videos of people going the wrong way, coming right at me.
Yeah.
I had one time a student, we were down here, first 10 minutes, we had 3 people coming right at us. 3 different cars. Every time we turned a corner, there was one in the... It's like, what the heck? Or, like, I was talking to one guy about, expecting the unexpected. We turned the corner, and there's a goat standing on the corner. I'm like, what the heck? Somebody had him by a leash, walking their pet goat down the sidewalk. I'm like, okay, see what I mean? Expect the unexpected. It was like perfect timing.
Yeah. You have to, though. Anything could happen at any point.
Yeah.
Like seeing a goat.
Yeah. We're gonna go straight here at the lights. So that's it for the one-ways, man. Won't be on your road test.
No, they don't do one-ways?
Nope, they don't come down here. Oh, there we go. Look at that. See, so the truck should have waited over there until he had space. Just in case the light turns red on them. And then they get stuck in the intersection. And what is it? This one? No, it's the next one over there that people, they go through the red light over there. Yeah. And now they get a ticket. Good. Automated ticket. They don't take you to the one-ways for your road test.
Okay.
They don't have time. So we take you down here just to give you some exposure to it, and also too, it's great to help people build their observational skills.
Oh yeah, big time.
Yeah.
Big time.
And then for my more nervous students who really have difficulty with driving, after the one-ways, they go back out to the two-ways, and it's like, holy crap, this is easy.
No, exactly, yeah.
Yeah.